Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
It's Makeup by Goddess, y'all. It's Makeup by Goddess, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, happy New Year's. What a way to start the new year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into this video. So right now I'm just wiping down her face with a Simma pad, just removing any makeup she may have on her face or anything, just to prep her face basically. So now we're gonna get to the brows. I did her brows off camera, but I included a little footage. Y'all, I forgot some stuff I used on her face. I'm going to try to remember what I used.
But it's missing when I talk, she wanna listen. Sitting patient, steady.
I'm gonna try to keep this tutorial as detailed as possible, y'all, so bear with me. For her primer today, I decided to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm dabbing it all over her face. Before the primer, I already moisturized her face off camera with my Pond's moisturizer as always, but that's the only primer I took today. I didn't want anything else on her skin really. So now I went in with my Nars my Nars foundation in Tahoe and Moorea. Moorea is a little yellow and Tahoe is a little palish, so to me it gave me the best color for her and I loved it. Okay. And y'all, blend. Like, if you don't blend out your foundation, your makeup just gonna look like crap. I had to learn that. Like, no missing spots, nothing. You want everything to be covered. Like, y'all want it to be seamless. Okay. So blend, y'all, blend. She's so silly. So for her concealer today, I took the Loreal concealer in 365 and Tarte Shape Tape concealer in Tam Deep Sand. I think I took another one, but I cannot remember, but it's okay because you'll still get the same results, to be honest. But yes, y'all, I highlighted under her eyes, under her nose, and her nose. I didn't go on the chin because I just didn't want that type of look today. So yes, y'all. This year we are copying us a e.l.f. beauty sponge because y'all, these sponges are so good. Y'all, I'm so over Real Technique sponges. Real Technique sponges, all they do is shed and rip, and it's not cute, honestly. So I had the e.l.f. sponge for a minute now, and it still looked the same. And that's the type of sponge I like. So definitely go copy guys some. It is the bomb. I took my Tarte Shape Tape Deep Sand, like the very deep, what I use for my melanin girls. Took that for her contour today. I really want like a deep contour on her face. Don't mind the nose, y'all. I went back with my beauty sponge and blend out her nose. So relax, don't give me too much, okay? Look, I did it. I did it. I just went ham on her nose. My bad. So now we are taking my L'Oreal. ooh, ew, my Laura Mercier powder in translucent. And I am setting her highlighted spots and taking a little bit of the powder and baking her face a little while I do her eyes and everything. To recreate a previous look I did on her before. I'm gonna put it on the side, but with a little pop. I took one eyeshadow color, well, it is a bronzer from Juvias Place, and I just used that for her eyeshadow. I didn't want anything too crazy, I just wanted a brown, and this was perfect. So yes, y'all, if you don't want eyeshadow, go get you guys a bronzer, okay? So I went ahead and bronze and contour her face. I took my medium deep palette from Black Radiance. I took the sculpt color. I did not take the contour color, only the sculpt, because the sculpt was enough for me. I didn't want her face too dark because this is kind of a natural look. So I wanted to keep it as basic as possible. But then yeah, I wanted her face to be like, wow, her face is beat. So I went ahead and set her cream contour. I did not want it to move all over the place. Y'all, if you do not set your cream contour, it will move all over the place, and that is not cute, okay? You're going to walk around looking like a whole, like you got a lot of glob on your face, and it's disgusting. So don't do that. We're coming to a new year. Come with sense, okay? So I went ahead and did her lashes and everything off camera, and I'm pressing my Black Radiance honey powder, just setting all that powder that was baking under her face. And yeah, y'all,
it gets lonely in this business. Need a homie who's a realist, someone who wants to find out all that I have to give, who can bring me what is missing. When I talk, she wanna listen, sitting patient.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but I went ahead and popped 2 mini bottom lashes under her eyes, just 2 on each eyes, and it was so cute. And I took this glitter topper from NYX and added it into the inner corner, and y'all, it was so pretty. My girl killed this look, okay? So again, for the lips, I went with my Wetnwild Simma Brown liner, and then I took MAC Cork for her lips. Y'all, we was dying, okay? We was watching something. But yes, I took that for her lips. And then for her glosses, I took Nudie Patootie Matte, Cop Bare Naked lip gloss, and clear lip gloss for her lips. And y'all, it was so popping and cute. I love this look, okay?
Yes, I need a girl. One that can love me for who I am and so much more. Is it you? You my bond. I found the one. I ain't gonna rest till I know for sure. So baby, please believe me when I tell you that I need a girl. So come on, pretty lady, I want you all back. I need a girl. I need a girl that's gonna be my baby. So if you let me say I'm your baby, so far I know that's my baby. So if you need me, say you're my baby.
Y'all can't tell me my girl not giving face, okay? So we went with my Fenty Diamond Balm I completely forgot the name of those highlighters, but they're like these hexagon highlighters called Diamond Bomb, and there's two I took, and I've been going for a glittery effect lately. I'm not really down for the compact highlighters no more. They're just too patchy for my likings. I love glitter way too much. But I put it all over her neck, her face, her chest. Y'all, my girl need to be shining, okay? So for her setting spray today, I took the Morphe setting spray, and I took my Too Faced setting spray, and voila, she is all done, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see her on my channel more. And yeah, y'all, look, my grandma be killing me in the back. Oh my gosh. But anyways, y'all, look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you guys feel. Happy New Year's once again. Talk to me down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.
Introducing Card.